What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining us in today's video. So we got a comment a couple of days ago, how do you talk to Foxtel using the Foxtel IQ4, Foxtel IQ5? Today's video we're going to give you a little bit of a demonstration of what you can pretty much ask your Foxtel box in terms of things to say and for it to actually do. Now you can do a few really cool things with obviously the Foxtel box. We're going to be using the 5 obviously in this video. Basically you need this remote here, the smart remote, and make sure you're connected via Bluetooth. If you're using infrared, it will not work, so make sure you are using Bluetooth. And the best way to know is when you click down, it will light up blue. If it lights up red, it means you're using obviously infrared and you need to connect to Bluetooth. Other than that, that's good. You're good to go from there. And then obviously what you can do, basically, you can ask it anything. You can ask it a phrase of obviously a movie. So if you know a particular phrase in a movie, you can go ahead and do that. Or you can ask it to find a particular movie. You can ask for an actor. You can actually do terms of simply things of like mute the mute. So you can just say mute. Or you can say go to Fox Arena. Particular things just like that. Very simple tasks you can do on obviously the remote. And we're going to show you a little play around with it. We're not going to focus too much on it. But pretty much the foundation of today's video is to tell you how to use it. And one, Bluetooth. Second of all, you need to make sure you have that Bluetooth, the voice button. If you've got the voice button and you've got Bluetooth connected, you are good to go. And if you've got the IQ4 or 5, you are good to go as well. And just make sure your box is connected to the internet and you'll be okay. So let's go show you a little bit around it. Now, one thing I do find it's kind of annoying that you can't do at present is if you say to it, open YouTube, it won't do it. It just can't find anything. So that's one annoying particular thing that you can't do. Let's go show you a play around. Alrighty guys, we're in front of the TV right here and we're going to show you a few prompts that you can ask your Foxtel box and show you what it does. Now, as I said before, is you can't open the YouTube app. You can actually open the YouTube app via voice search. You just can't say to it a command like this, open YouTube. Don't say that. All you're going to do is simplify yourself a little bit more and just say YouTube and it will open the app, okay? That was one of the issues that I was doing before filming today's video. It was saying open YouTube. No. You can't say open YouTube, you must just say YouTube. And that will fix that problem. So let's just show you a little bit of few things that you can ask your Foxtel box. So basically, pretty much just hit the microphone here. And first of all, if we say Foxtel, that will open up the home menu, not Fox, Foxtel. That will open up your home menu. Again, the same applies if you go TV show. See, yep, opens that, TV guide. And it saves you a little bit of time right there. Also, you can ask it a prompt like a movie you're looking for. So just say you're looking for a particular actor and you're a little bit curious what movies are currently available under that actor. All you got to do is hit the voice button again, Rowan Atkins. And again, it didn't recognize that again prompt. Let's try that one again. Rowan Atkins. And it can't find that particular person. So let's try another actor. Bruce Willis. And there you go, it's found Bruce Willis, just doesn't seem to know who Rowan Atkins is. So yep, as you see, you can find all the movies that he should be in right there, very easy to look at, which is kind of cool. Again, another thing you can obviously do is you can ask for a particular movie. So let's actually look for a movie Rowan Atkins actually is in, Johnny English. And there you see the Johnny English movies. Also, you can go in here and, as I said before, with YouTube. Just say YouTube. Let's try that again. YouTube. Okay, so it does open the app. Let's try it again. YouTube. And there you go, it does open the app. A little bit of a hit and miss with the bug sort of thing there, but as you see, we're straight ahead in and we can easily go onto YouTube. Same applies for Netflix and all that stuff. Very easy stuff. But that is the pretty much foundation of the voice search. Very easy to do. So just make sure you have your Bluetooth connected and you do have a voice remote such as this one. And make sure you just hit the voice button and you're good to go. You can ask it phrases of a movie. So if you know a particular phrase in a movie like Star Wars, The Force Awakens, You can ask particular things like that, and it should be able to find the movie easily for you. You can mute the TV, you can unmute the TV, you can do all sorts of things. I did find an issue with turning the TV off. It doesn't seem to recognize what I actually want it to do. But other than that, most things do work very well. Again, it is very new to Foxtel, the voice search feature, so obviously big features will be coming soon. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.